Omo, see time, and I dey very hungry. But dem talk say if I chop late, I go pack weight. Na true?
You were not informed too? Continue.
Now, it's time for science. Eating late doesn't automatically make you gain weight. But when you eat too much, your body stores extra calories as fat. It's all about the calories. When you take more calories than your body can burn, it stores it as fat. But if you eat light meals, it won't be bad. Another thing to consider is sleep. Poor sleep messes with your metabolism, making it easier for your body to store extra fat.
Continue.
If you don't sleep well after eating late, your body might start craving for more food and store extra fat. So, eating late won't automatically make you gain weight. But if you overeat or eat the wrong food, it could be bad. Therefore, just keep it light. Balance your food and sleep well. That's just the secret.